VD International Printing Solutions you can trust. Konica Minolta Bizhub C226i installation. VD International. The process begins with unloading the machine safely and removing the packaging step by step to keep the product damage-free. After unwrapping, the machine is moved to its designated workplace. The main components of the machine include the intuitive control panel for navigation, multiple paper trays with adjustable sizes for A3 to A5 sheets, an output tray designed for smooth paper handling, the duplex unit for automatic two-sided printing, color toner cartridges for sharp and vibrant prints, and the scanner unit at the top for high-quality scanning and copying. Each of these parts is inspected and prepared before powering up the device. The Bizhub C226i is a powerful A3-color multifunction device designed for professional environments. It delivers a print speed of up to 22 pages per minute, with a resolution of 600 by 600 dpi. The device comes equipped with a large 10.1-inch touchscreen panel that offers a smartphone-like experience for easy operation. It also features a dual-scan document feeder, allowing faster scanning for both sides of the document in a single pass. With advanced connectivity options including USB, Ethernet, and wireless support, the C226i is built for modern business needs. The key parts of the machine include the control panel, multiple paper trays, output tray, duplex unit for two-sided printing, color toner cartridges, and the scanner unit on top. Each part is inspected and prepared before setup begins. After the initial preparation, our engineer begins setting up the machine at its designated workplace. All components are inspected, aligned, and connected as per the manufacturer's guidelines. This step ensures that the Bizhub C226i is fully prepared for daily use in a professional environment. Along with installation, let us take a closer look at the key features of the Bizhub C226i. This multifunction printer supports paper sizes from A5 to A3, with a maximum paper capacity of up to 3,600 sheets, making it suitable for both small and large workloads. It comes with standard duplex printing for saving paper and energy, and offers a monthly duty cycle of up to 20,000 pages, ensuring reliable performance in busy offices. The C226i also provides flexible connectivity options such as USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and mobile printing support including AirPrint and Google Cloud Print. With its user-friendly 10.1-inch touchscreen, operators can navigate easily, just like using a smartphone. In addition, advanced security features like user authentication and data encryption keep your documents protected. To verify performance, the Bizhub C226i is tested for both color and black and white print quality. Each print is carefully checked to ensure clarity, sharpness, and accurate color reproduction. After the hardware setup, the machine is placed at its designated location. It is then connected to the system, and the required drivers are downloaded. This step ensures smooth communication between the computer and the printer, making all functions fully operational. Finally, the installation is complete, and the customer is extremely satisfied with the overall process. This concludes the Bizhub C226i installation by VD International. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.